हे देयर, क्या आप भी उनमें से हो जो बहुत जल्द अपना मैरीटाइम ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करने वाले हो या मोर स्पेसिफिकली HIMT ज्वाइन करने वाले हो एंड अभी भी क्लूलेस हो कि मेरे को क्या क्या लेके जाना चाहिए? सो येस, दिस इज़ फॉर ऑल दोज जूनियर्स ऑफ मी जिनके साथ मेरी बात होते रहती है एंड आई कीप क्लियरिंग द डाउट्स, बट स्टिल देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ डाउट्स एंड ऑन वॉट ऑल थिंग्स यू शुड कैरी बिफोर joining HIMT as a first time joining pre-C cadet. So yes, today I'll be discussing on the same, and also this will be the continuation to my previous video which is already out in our YouTube channel. अगर आपने चेकआउट नहीं किया है, do go check it out first because उसमें मैंने डिस्कस किया है कि what all things will be issued to you at HIMT. It will be very helpful and beneficial for you if you are joining HIMT, क्योंकि उससे आपको अंदाज़ा मिल जाएगा आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें वहाँ पे इशू किए जाएंगे एंड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट क्या क्या आपको लेके जाना चाहिए. So without wasting any further time, let's get on with today's video. Alright, firstly if I talk about the clothing part, as already discussed in my previous video, वहाँ पे आपको rigs बहुत सारे दिए जाते हैं, बहुत कुछ दिया जाता है and to be very honest, like sharing my own personal experience, I would say clothing should be very minimal. Like मैंने भी ये गलती की थी last time. First semester में मैंने बहुत सारे कपड़े ले गया था मैं, like casual wears ये वो ये, which was of no good use, like सच बताऊँ तो, क्योंकि second semester में what I did is half of them I kept back at home एंड सिर्फ आधे ही मैं उठा के लाया था, क्योंकि 90% ऑफ द टाइम्स इन अ मैरीटाइम ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, नॉट स्पेसिफिकली HIMT, सारे ही इंस्टीट्यूट में मोर और लेस यही सिचुएशन है. यू हैव टू वेयर, लाइक इट इज़ अंडर देयर रूल्स, यू हैव टू वेयर द रिग्स प्रोवाइडेड बाय देम. 99% टाइम्स में आप उनके ही दिए गए रिग्स पे घूमोगे, लाइक कैंपस में या बाहर भी. एंड एट HIMT, फन फैक्ट, शोर लिस्ट पे भी आपको यूनिफॉर्म पहन के जाना पड़ता है. Alright, coming to the clothing part, क्या क्या आपको लेकर जाना चाहिए in my opinion. First opinion would be keep it very minimal. Like carry a few shorts I would say, क्योंकि HIMT के जो shorts आपको provide किए जाते हैं, it is not the best quality and not the like worst as well. आप अगर comfortable हो, like I was also a sports person, तो मैं अपना shorts and jerseys खुद carry करता था. So what I would recommend you is carry some shorts or lowers, whatever you are comfortable with. Apart from this, carry a few jerseys. And also you can carry cotton t-shirts. This will be very helpful. Take it from me, you are going in Chennai, it will be very humid. ज़्यादा heavy clothing मत लो, हल्के cotton t-shirts ले लो. It will be beneficial for you because you will be also able to wear them underneath your boiler suit. Because in HIMT we have a rule, आप हॉस्टल ब्लॉक्स के बाहर आपको राउंड नेक टी शर्ट्स में अलाउ नहीं करते. सो ट्राई टू टेक मोर एंड मोर कॉलर्ड टी शर्ट्स, कॉलर्ड पोलो टी शर्ट्स.
हे गाइस, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं, राइट. ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड. आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो. Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Also, take adequate amount of undergarments or innerwears and multiple socks as well, क्योंकि वहाँ पे like आप बार बार बॉयलर्स यूनिफॉर्म पूरे दिन आपको सॉक्स पहनना ही पड़ेगा. So HIMT में आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा सॉक्स, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई वुड रिकमेंड यू टू ऑल्सो कैरी फ्यू 2 to 3 sets additional socks for yourself. And ankle socks, yes, ankle socks are allowed in HIMT. You can wear them. I know there are few मैरीटाइम ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स जहाँ पे ankle socks allowed नहीं होते, तो आप अपने PT रिग्स के लिए आप ankle socks लेके जा सकते हो. And apart from this also you have to carry, like this is under their guidelines and rules only, that you have to carry minimum 2 sets of formal attire. Like there will be no mustard dress like Tolani provided in HIMT. You have to carry your own formals. To what I would recommend you is 2 sets of full length black formal pants, and also 2 sets of your full sleeve white plain shirts, and also one tie as well. And as already discussed, keep very minimal clothing for your casual wear. Like you will be most probably wearing them only while you will be traveling back home or going for any event in any other state. Like I had been to many events, so that is the only time when I had taken out my casual wears. Otherwise on Sunday shore leaves as well, you will be asked to wear uniform and report back in uniform to campus as well. Now coming to the next part, which is your footwear or your shoes. What I would recommend you is, as like mentioned by HIMT themselves, you have to carry one set of black leather formal shoes. And apart from that, what I would recommend you is carry one set of sports shoes and one set of slippers, sandals, crocs, whatever you are comfortable with, which you can basically like wear and move around in your hostel block. and also for the athletes or the football enthusiasts out there, yes, you can carry your football shoes or studs if in case you are very interested to play football or something in the evening. Now coming to the toiletries part, I believe this is something which more or less सबको पता रहता है पहले से क्या क्या लेकर जाना चाहिए. So what I would recommend you is take starting from your soaps, shampoos, your toothbrush, toothpaste and everything, like more or less your detergents as well, like there will be a lot of things which you have to wash yourself, like not everything is allowed to be sent in the laundry, so there will be some clothes and innerwears which you have to wash yourself. For that, what I would recommend you is carry some detergent powders or detergent soaps as well. And yes, most necessarily, carry one shaving kit. ट्रिमर से काम नहीं चलने वाले हैं. लाइक इन अ मैरीटाइम ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, इफ इन केस यू स्टिल डोंट नो इट, वी हैव टू शेव एवरी डे. दिस इज फॉर ऑल द जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स आउट देयर जो ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. कैरी अ शेविंग किट. सिर्फ ट्रिमर से आपका काम नहीं चलने वाला. सिर्फ ट्रिम करोगे, पनिशमेंट खाओगे, फिर बॉयलर में घूमते रहोगे इधर उधर. सो दैट इज वाई कैरी अ शेविंग किट, बिकॉज ऑन डेली बेसिस you have to shave. Coming to the stationery part, as already discussed in my previous video, like books and all will be provided by HIMT. What I would recommend you is you have to carry your own stationery. Like I had already discussed that 50% of the things you have to carry yourself. So what I would recommend you is starting from your pen, pencil and whatever you require in your stationery part, carry yourself. And also yes, don't forget to take a scientific calculator. It is mandatory to have one because in our DNS course or any pre-C course, it is mandatory to carry one because in all our IMU exams we are allowed to take it and it is very necessary. And yes, also don't carry too much of notebooks. I would say it will do nothing but create a hassle in your luggage. What you can do is you can later on buy through the canteen which is present in HIMT, or you can buy it online or on shore leaves as well. Carry like 1 to 2 notebooks. That will be more than enough. Alright, coming to the medicine part, what I would recommend you is don't carry too much of medicines. If in case you require few or you are prescribed by a doctor, and HIMT's joining letter as well, they have already mentioned that if in case you are carrying any prescribed medicines, you should have a proper prescription by the doctor as well. But at the same time, what I would recommend you is no need to carry too much of medicines. Few might be okay, but at the same time there is a very good provision which is available at HIMT, like the doctor visits every day. If in case you get sick or you are having any problems, there will be medical treatment available 24/7 at campus. Coming to a very miscellaneous doubt which I get quite a lot of times, do we have to carry plates, mugs and buckets and all? No, these are common general things which are provided by the college. You don't have to worry at all. And yes, you don't have to carry all those things. And also because Chennai is very humid, I won't recommend you to carry too much of your blankets and thick bed sheets or blankets, because it will be a very hassle for you to manage them. What I would recommend you is if in case you are carrying your personal bed sheets, carry 1 or 2, because more or less you will be provided with them as well at a time. Coming to the last and the most important thing, in my opinion, like this should be a bonus tip for you. Carry your favorite food items. Take it from me, don't carry these chips and chocolates which you can buy them on shore leaves or from canteens as well. Carry things which you like the most, like kuch bhi ho gaya, like any dry item. Don't carry like wet items which will get spoiled obviously. You can carry dry fruits, you can carry your mother's homemade dry food materials or any delicacy which you like. Carry them, take them in bulk, because take it from me, for the initial 1 to 2 months you are going to miss the food which you are getting back at home. And yes, this will be the most important tip from my side. So yes, that will be it for today's video. So I won't be listing any more things which you should carry to a particular maritime training institute. This video is not only for students who are going in for HIMT. This will be also for people who are going in for various maritime training institutes, because more or less they all are the same. And apart from this, if in case you miss out on any things, don't worry. At HIMT you have this very good provision of having a canteen in the campus, and the provision of buying things online. HIMT has a proper procedure where you can buy things online and get them delivered at the campus, and buy things from the campus as well. And also on Sunday shore leaves, if in case you need any toiletries or you are out of shampoos or soaps, you can just go out and buy them, which is why basically students go for shore leaves at Sundays. And yes, shore leave is basically the liberty or the outing which you get on weekends, on Sundays more specifically. Alright, so apart from this, if in case you have any doubts regarding your joining at HIMT or any maritime training institute, you can just list them down in the comments below, or you can just reach out our mentors and they will surely get in touch with you and patch me up so that I can help you out. And yes, at Budding Mariners we have a team full of mentors from this maritime industry, and we are always ready to help you out. So yes, that will be it from my side for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMU CT and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.